A Cedar Rapids councilwoman is speaking out after her experience in a COVID-19 vaccine trial at the University of Iowa. Reporter Daniel Perot shares her story.
Somebody's got to do it. Somebody's got to, participate in these trials.
Cedar Rapids City Council member Ashley Venorni has done drug trials for University of Iowa Healthcare before, but none this important.
It was very routine. I know that this one had much more global implications.
She's one of around 270 people who are part of the Pfizer trial at UIHC.
I went in, I got my first vaccination. A month later, I got the second vaccination.
It gave her some mild symptoms, a fever and light headache.
Amongst my friends, I say, I didn't feel cute. I think the worst part for me was probably the chills and just like some muscle achiness. But like I said, everything resolved within 24 hours.
The temporary discomfort outweighed by the payoff.
And certainly there are always calculated risks that you take, but they're good and necessary risks.
Like the ones Venorni and her colleagues take every day.
I've been a manager in the emergency room at one of our local hospitals here.
From the front lines fighting the virus to the front line of the race for a vaccine.
The reality is this feels exactly the same as the other handful of trials I've been a part of, and I do feel very confident that my safety has been, the #1 priority.
Even as Pfizer asked the FDA for a green light, Venorni doesn't know for sure she got the vaccine, so she's still staying away from her grandmother, as painful as it is.
I would love to see my family, would love to gather with them. I love cooking and seeing them for the holidays. It's not the time for that yet. Unfortunately, we have to be a little bit more patient.
Maybe not this Thanksgiving, but there is light at the end of the tunnel.